How to fix Snapchat sending problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat sending problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click storage and click clear cache and then click force stop, and now just go to permissions and enable storage, allow it, maybe you'll find it like that, and click allow, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, go to storage and clear that tab. But after that you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you in the next video.